Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Wednesday the 17th of June 2015. And starting off in the 5-minute chart in the Dow, market starting to trend in the pre-market session, and then we see the market drive higher through the 17,800 level, and all the way up to 17,850, and then back to find support at the 17,800 level. We get a PTI on this bar, and then we see the market trading high, and we see prices driving through the 17,850 level with a professional buying bar there. So as prices drive through, they hit the scalp level, and also this gives you the opportunity to actually trail the stop above, or rather below, the rising lows there. So you could have actually collected the profits on this one by just trailing the stop as the market headed up towards the 17,900 level. So from here to here, this is giving you potential profit there of 41 points on this trade. And as I've been saying for the last I don't know how many weeks, if you've made money in the first part of the session, forget the rest of the session, and this is exactly why I keep barking on about it. You can see there the market trading up to here, which is around 68 points before the market breaks through. In the latter part of the session, you can see the market makes no headway whatsoever, and that's why I keep going on about this, because that's the pattern we have at the moment. The only activity at the moment is in the first few hours, but as we head from 4:30, you can see how quiet the market becomes as the traders come back after lunch. You see them moving prices there, but once they've done what they want to do, you can see prices go sideways, and also you can see the volume drops off markedly as well until we get towards the closing part of the session where the profits are collected. So in the daily chart, in the pre-market session as well, you see prices being held once more and then driven all the way back up, and prices up on the overnight market for the Dow as well. So I keep saying they don't want this market to go down. They're doing the best to actually hold it at the moment. Of course, we've still got the Greek effect as well in the background. Who knows what's going to happen with that? Decision has to be made by the end of this month. So we've got a few days yet before we see what happens there. On the economic news front for today from 3 p.m, let's have a look, see what we've got. It's a big one today. We've got nothing out. Just one second, let's just come back a bit. Nothing after the US opens until 6:30, when we've got MPC member Forbes to speak from the UK. Carney's going to speak at 6:45, so you don't want to be in the market. And then you've got the FOMC statement as well. So they're sending all the big guns out today to have to try and pump the market up. So again, first part of the session, if there's any trades, maybe worth a look at, but the second half, don't expect a lot, as the market will be waiting on every word of Carney and the US Fed Chair Yellen. So I wouldn't be too concerned about the second part of the session, just be concerned about the activity you get beforehand. And finally, in the implied volatility, 1407 for Monday. The market reversed sharply yesterday, so expect this to be lower. 13, so the market coming back quite sharply on the implied volatility, as can be seen by the chart here. Right, that's it for today. I will see you in tomorrow's edition. Like I say, be warned, stay out the markets after 6:30, well 4:30 if possible, because the market's likely to trade sideways and be quiet anyway, unless of course there's anything of a geopolitical nature that enters the market at that time. But otherwise, stand aside, and if you want to watch the reaction to Carney and Yellen, then that's fine. But like I say, hopefully the trades, as has been the case for the last month or so now, first part of the session busy, second half stay away if you've made money. Right, that's it from me. I will see you in tomorrow's edition. As ever, thank you for your support and also for watching. See you in the next one.